For sale now at 𝐑𝐚𝐲𝐜 Machines LLC, the 2013 Rayco RG 45 Stump Grinder. A compact and dependable machine designed for smooth performance and consistent results. Powered by a 44 horsepower Kubota turbo diesel engine, the RG45 delivers reliable power to handle demanding stump grinding jobs with ease. It features hydraulic controls that are simple and responsive, offering precision and control throughout every operation. Built with efficiency in mind, this machine helps you maintain a steady workflow and dependable productivity on every job. The hydraulic blade provides added convenience for finishing work and site preparation, supporting a clean and efficient operation from start to finish. With its solid design and balanced construction, the RG45 performs confidently in real working conditions, starts easily, runs smoothly, and operates exactly as it should. Hydraulics are strong, responsive, and consistent. Available now and ready to work. Contact 𝐑𝐚𝐲𝐜 Machines LC today, and let's get you the machine that works as hard as you do.